Koster KD Blitz powder instantly stops active leaks from dripping to flowing whilst offering versatility in both non-pressurized and pressurized waterproofing from positive and negative side substrates. Koster KD Blitz powder is a unique component of the Koster KD system, KD1 base, KD2 Blitz powder, and KD3 sealer, which can be used as part of the KD system or standalone in sealing and/or closing cracks prior to the use of injection resins. This highly reactive, fast-setting cementitious product is environmentally friendly and resistant to salts and aggressive substances. Correct PPE should always be worn. Exact details will vary depending on the construction site and the specific cost requirements. Substrates must be sound and solid, free from oil and paint, as well as loose particles. Koster KD Blitz 2 is supplied in a 15-kilo container. Remove the lid and, using both protected hands, cup into the Koster KD Blitz 2 dry powder. Bring your hands towards each other and squeeze the powder to start compacting it into a ball. Gently apply pressure as you work your hands around the Koster KD Blitz 2 to compress air from the product. Shake away any loose powder. In this video, we only have one single source of water ingress, which is not very common. Usually, you will have a larger area or wall where water is leaking down in multiple areas. In this case, for example, there is only a single source of water leakage. To stop it, firmly press the Koster KD Blitz 2 ball onto the leak. After a few seconds, the leak should be stopped. Remove any excess powder. If you note any dark spots, this is not water coming through, it's the cement which is hydrating. Once leaks are sealed, there is a likelihood they can appear in other areas of the substrate or structure where the process should be repeated until all leaks have ceased. Now you can add the waterproofing system.